Hey guys, happy Friday. Made it through the first week, full week. Today's assignment's real easy. All you're going to be doing is turning in your digital notebook so I can take a peek at it and make sure that you're keeping up with it and not having too much trouble. So here's a real quick walkthrough of how you're going to do that. Okay, so you're going to go down and open up your browser. You're going to go to Canvas. You're going to go to My Class. You're going to go to the modules. You're going to go down. Now, I haven't actually posted this assignment, so you're not going to be able to actually see all of it, but you're going to click on this one right here. It's called Friday's Only Assignment Besides Attendance. Okay, I'll go ahead and click it, and you'll see what it looks like on my end. Right now, there's nothing here, but when you get to it, there will be a Submit button over here. Okay, so all you're going to need to do is you're going to, it's going to have an option for you to upload a file, and you're going to click Upload a File, and it's going to tell you to choose a file. And the file that you are going to want to turn in to me, I'll give you an example. I will click on mine right here, and it says Massey 8 Digital Social Studies 2021. That's what I'm going to be turning in for my assignment. Now, here's what all needs to be in your notebook for me to give you full credit, okay? I need to see a cover with your name on it. I need to see your table of contents, which will say Reasons for European Exploration and Colonization. I will want to see this page, Reasons for European Exploration, filled in with all of the notes we are taking. I'll want to see your summary slide with that information filled in that we did the other day. And then lastly, I want to see your Jamestown and your Plymouth slide. So that's 5 total. Your title, the title or the cover of your notebook, your table of contents, reasons for European exploration filled in, summary filled in, and your Jamestown Plymouth slide filled in. So this is the file you're going to turn in for your assignment. So you'll click on that. You'll hit the Submit button on Canvas. All right. And like I said, I can't show you exactly that because I don't have it actually entered and published yet. But you'll just hit Submit, choose a file, insert your digital notebook file, hit Submit, and you're good to go. If you're one of the people who've had a tough time with the technology and you've actually been keeping a physical notebook, one on paper, simply just take a picture of what you have for me. It doesn't have to exactly have all 5 of those, but as long as I can see that you've been following along and taking notes in your actual physical journal, that'll work as well. Just take a picture of it with your phone, upload that file, submit it, and you're good to go. And that's it. That's all we're doing for Friday. I'll check those out. You have a good weekend. I'll try to do the same, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye.